Hello class.
Can't see your face.
Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a paper bag book cover for your text. Step number 1, obtain a brown paper bag. Paper, brown bag. Step 2, find the seam on the side and cut all the way down the seam to the very bottom of the bag.
I'm gonna freak people out.
This guy's really creepy.
They can't see your eyes. They just see like what's down.
Really?
There.
Step 3. Cut the bottom of the paper bag off. Once you've removed the bottom of your book cover, you will have a paper rectangle. This paper rectangle is too large, so you need to eliminate some of the paper. First of all, it's too tall for the textbook, and it's too long for the textbook. So we're going to eliminate some of that.
I just film you if I'm doing it, since I'm not doing anything. You're picking and moving around. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm
crap.
going to leave my cameras, I'm going to leave my book so there's 2 inches of paper on the top and the bottom. I have too much paper.
It's a good picture on it.
Close up, video close up. I have enough paper here, but I have too much paper here. So I'm going to cut some of this paper off.
It's like a fishing video.
Voila. Now, once I've done that, I have too much paper in this direction. I want there to be about 3 inches of paper on the ends this way. So, when I wrap this around, notice there's way too much paper. So I'm going to cut this off so there's 3 inches. Now, not that I have anything against Centralia, but I don't want that showing on the outside of my book cover. So I'm going to place that so that it's against my book, not on the outside. Place the book so there's an even amount of paper on the top and bottom. And the next step is to fold both the top and the bottom up to get the height of the book. Repeat on the other side. And then fold that down and fold that up. Sometimes upon folding paper, it sort of moves a little on you, and so it's good to check to see if that fold is good. You want a little bit of paper showing on both sides, which I don't see here, so if my fold it up a little bit. This side is fine. Okay? And so I'm going to have to fold this back so that I have more paper on this side so that it's as tall or slightly taller than my book. And then I place my book so that I have an equal amount of material coming off the end of the book. I will then fold up make that a solid fold. Then the cover will fit right like that into that slot. At this point, a piece of tape can be used to tape the paper bag to itself, but you don't have to put any tape on the book cover at all. So you don't need to put any tape here to hold it in place, but the cover is held tightly. Work the cover around so it's tight. Fold it up. Okay. Make the fold. Pull the cover back. This will take a little bit of work. You got to fit it into those two tabs by opening them up and closing them back down. Slide it in, and when you close it, it'll be a nice solid cover. Another piece of tape here and here. Write book name and your name, the book name and your name, the book name and your name, and on the back you are going to make a rectangle that has 4 rows and 2 columns, a total of 8 boxes. This is the end of Mr. Chenworth explaining how to make a paper bag book cover for a chemistry or physics textbook.